How to create sticker on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a sticker using a picture from your gallery on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up Instagram and then you can head into any of the chat. So I'll just open up chat here and head into a certain chat. Here on the chat, you want to tap on the sticker icon. So I'll just tap on the sticker icon right here. Then here you can tap on the sticker icon again at the bottom mid of your screen, and then here you can see the plus icon. Below it you can see the cutout option. You can see the scissors icon. You're gonna tap on it. Once you do so, you can select the picture that you would like to set as sticker. Then you can see it will automatically cut a certain frame from your picture. If you want to select manually, you can use select manually option, and then you can tap on save sticker option at the bottom right corner of your screen. So this is how you can create sticker on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.